Alright guys, we're here again, and today we're going to have soup. And guys, this is the ingredients. So we having cow skin soup, but I'm gonna have a piece of salt beef in it, right? So cow skin soup, but we just had in a little bit, I don't know what to call that. So we're just gonna cook soup today, all right? And these are the ingredients. So we're gonna have a couple potatoes. We don't want a lot of food in there. We want the soup to shine. So because it's soup, not one pot of food. You get me? So guys, don't worry about that. That's like a trash bowl. Let me clean up everything and wash and put in. Right here, guys, is this cow skin. All right. So the reason why it's so dirty because me kind of scrape off some of my cow skin. You know, run my knife through over the skin and try to take off some of my picky or you know, something we me no want also. So that's the cow skin there wash. Today we have a piece of yellow yam. We have cocoa, or some people, I don't know what the other islands call it, but cocoa. We have a piece of pumpkin here, guys. We have chocho, onion, and potato, and this peas, okay? Coconut milk, all right? So this is a turnip, guys. Believe them, forgetting names of the day they think, all right? So we have turnip, we have, you know, buick and Q, we got 2 beef, right? So 2 different one because we run out. We have vegetable here, vegetable buick and Q. All right, so we just gonna season this up. We're gonna put this to boil, and this is the water here. No, guys, this is the salt beef. I don't want it to be so salt, so me I cook it out one time before me put it in the pots, right? So me just scald it off so it won't be too salt. All right, so here is the water. I put a pepper, and guys, some people like to cook, put a little bit of water if you cook. Me throw more water in it. Some people like to start off with a little bit of water in their pots, right, just to cook it. But when you do that, it's really don't make sense. It better you fully pot of water so the water can be stayed flavored when you finish cook, because if your pot dry out, your flavor gone, right? So when you cook soup, put enough water in it. So you know, I'm gonna full it back up. I was cleaning the cow skin, so it kind of cooked down to a little. But me put it back in there, me season my water ahead of time. So that means me beat up some of this and me put this in there so everything can season. Me put in my peas and everything go season before me even get to the bottom, to the last part, right? So no season no water, start with the seasoning, because then your soup will have a lot of flavor. And don't make your water cook out, because when you cook out the water, your flavor gone out of your soup, right? So we're gonna get this going, get this started. Guys, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. It don't cost a thing. It's just gonna help me out a bit. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, so we'll be back. We're gonna put some more water in this thing and start seasoning it. Put the cow skin in and let it go. All right, guys, so I just want to show you, this is the base. This is the base right here. So what I did, I put one whole onion, I put scallion, I put the thyme in there, and so on. Right, so all right. Alright, so what I did was some potato and so on, so it can go and cook. These can melt out. These gonna melt out in the last end, and then I'm gonna add the real stuff that we're gonna eat. So these just gonna be the base, right? This is just gonna be the base of. See, I full up the pot of water because we're making soup, not whole bunch of food. I like to, if I said I'm making soup, I want soup for drink, not 1 ton of food and no soup. So this is my base here. This is what I'm working with, and then I prepare, you know, this is the yam and potato. I even put one of the cocoa, guys. I peel one and I dice it up so it can go and give the soup some flavor and stuff, you know. Yam a turn. Right, so me peel everything, wash them, peel them off, wash them and clean them up. May have more pumpkin if needed later. I'm gonna dice this piece. I'm gonna put, you know, stuff we eat, and I'm gonna make small dices and so on. Alright, I put half of the turnip in the pot. So guys, as again, this is base, and now I'm gonna rinse these off and I'm gonna put it in there, part of the base. Okay, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the green split peas. That's why it look green, guys. It's just the base. You could have used the red one if you don't like the greenness. There is a yellow one that you can use, right? Or oranges look like the pumpkin, but I'm using this today because this is what I have. And the guys know me. As I said, what I have is what I'm going to use that day. So this is it. So this is why it's green. Okay, this is it. Cow skin and stuff, you know, everything melt out. Now me I gotta do the second season. This is just, you know, so now I'm ready to see. It's not that thick, but it's the, you know, and still there the peas, sorry guys, I can't talk, the peas melt out in it because, you know, make it nice and, you know, whatever. See, so it's not too thick, right? But we have a base and it's thick. Instead of me using the pumpkin, me use the peas, right? And now I'm gonna add in all this, guys. This is my dumpling, spinners, whatever, mini dumpling and my spinners and stuff, right? So me add everything in here now, and me add more thyme and scallion and so. And this is the food, right? So me just mini cut everything. Mini cut everything. You can cut any size you want, but me don't want a whole bunch of stuff. So this is the food. This is it. This is the dumpling, right? Mini dumpling. Little spinners and little round one, whatever, however you want to make it, guys. That's up to you. Style it up. Do whatever you want to do with it, right? So I'm gonna put this in. I did put one coconut in, so I'm gonna just add some butter, add everything, and just make it go and cook, right? I'll be back. Guys, welcome back. We're gonna take a look at this soup. It is simmering. All right, look at it. It's soup and it's thick at the same time, and everything is in here. Can eat now. See, coconut no mash out, because everything when I say mash out, gone mash out already. So these are the ones that you're gonna eat. All right. So again, this is the green soup, but it's actually the base. Why it's so green? It's peas. You know, it's kind of your vitamins at the same time your vegetable, right? So instead of me putting a whole bunch of pumpkin, I did put some pumpkin in. Guys, you see it? Rich yam. Look on the yam. Me have it the cow skin. Me have it banana. Me only put one banana. Me cut it in the skin. We have it dumpling. Look on that. See, nice and thick. Me I make it go little bit more. See me like a mini dumpling them. Look at that cow skin, nice thick cow skin, right? So that one was stuck into the pot bottom. I had to dig it out, right? So see, soup, right? This is my kind of soup. This is my cow skin with a little piece of salt beef, right? Rich guys. See, you're going to drink it and it's going to be nice. If you want water it down from here, you can, but guys, this is soup, all right? And I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to let this cook down for a couple more. This dumpling you look like anyway, but I'm just going to let this sit for 15 minutes more, right? And then it's gonna be drinking, guys. I did ask to like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. It don't cost anything. Just share the video if you like it or it look funny or whatever. It doesn't matter to me. Once you share, subscribe, please, and thank you very much. All right, like, share, subscribe, and make somebody else see what I did. Okay, if you like, even better for me. All right, so share a video. share it, like it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be back, all right, when I got my big cup of soup ready for drink, you know. So this is it, guys. Man, I know enough light, me just don't look. See there now, that's a better view, guys. I am so dumb, I'm telling you. See, I'm sorry, guys, all this time I didn't know I was in the dark. Maybe I'm a pimento seed and my banana, my scallion mash out, you know, thyme, yam. Me did put pumpkin in it, but what brighten it up was the peas, right? Linty peas. There we go. Alright, so I'll be back. I'm gonna let this sit and simmer for another, 10 minutes more, and then it's ready to go. Alright, see you then. Okay, guys, this is it. Everything cook and nice. See, you can eat now. Just a cut of one. See, ready and now, ready. See, go nice, and it just a splash. Like about for my kids them ready for eat and now. Long enough they keep asking if the food not ready. See the guys, thank you for watching, and please, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. It don't cost a thing just to click that subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing, just a little click. Thank you so much for watching. See you.